Are you ready to level up your outdoor adventures? Today, we're diving into 25 genius camping gadgets every camping enthusiast needs in 2026. Whether you're into wild camping, bushcraft, or family glamping, having the right survival gear and smart camping accessories can completely transform your experience. From next-level camping inventions to cool Amazon finds that solve every campsite struggle, we've curated the ultimate list of must-have camping gear. So, if you want to see the best camping gear 2026 has to offer, stay tuned. Let's get into the countdown of the most innovative outdoor gadgets you've never seen before. Let's dive in. Relax anywhere with ease and comfort. The Yellow Leaf Vista Hammock Stand is a 330-pound max lightweight, portable hammock swing chair stand designed exclusively for Yellow Leaf hammock chairs only. Its easy assembly and foldable design let you set it up in under 60 seconds, while the high-performance aluminum frame provides sturdy, durable support. Weighing just 12 pounds and including a convenient backpack, this portable hammock stand is perfect for camping, picnics, beach trips, or backyard lounging. Lightweight, strong, and travel-ready, it makes relaxation effortless wherever you go. Cook like a gourmet anywhere with ease. The ARB Slide Kitchen transforms your vehicle into a fully functional outdoor kitchen, perfect for camping trips where you need more than just a stove. With a 1,250mm stainless steel bench, utensils drawer, swing-away 3-burner stove, and a collapsible silicone kitchen sink, it makes prep, cooking, and cleaning effortless. Designed for dual cabs, trailers, and campers, it offers versatile storage, wind-protected burners with flame-out safety, and seamless integration with other ARB products. Whether it's a full feast or a simple prep space, this slide kitchen has you covered. Own a piece of history reimagined for today. The Honshu Sword Collector's Kit includes a set of 3 full-tang stainless steel swords, Gladiator, Spartan, and Ciays styles, crafted for modern collectors. Each 7CR13 steel blade offers exceptional strength, durability, and balanced handling, enhanced with weight-reducing through holes. Ergonomic TPR handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, while hand-fitted leather sheaths ensure safe storage and elegant display. Perfect for enthusiasts, display curators, or anyone captivated by legendary sword craftsmanship, this kit combines historical inspiration with contemporary precision and style. Relax anywhere with ease and comfort. The Amazona's ultra-light adventure hammock is the world's lightest king-size hammock, crafted from durable ripstop nylon for a super strong and load-bearing experience. Its 275 by 140 centimeter lying surface accommodates 1 or 2 people up to 150 kilograms while remaining ultra-light and compact, weighing only 180 grams with tiny packing dimensions. Perfect for the beach, mountains, or any outdoor adventure, it's breathable, stable, and easy to carry. With vibrant or sober colors, this hammock is ideal for any outdoor enthusiast seeking portable comfort and freedom. Stay protected and comfortable on every outdoor adventure. The RCG Alpha Tent is a versatile Alpha X1 bivvy designed for quick setup with its central spreader block and strong aluminum frame. Made from 10,000 HH300D fabric, it withstands heavy rain and blocks light for privacy. With 4 side windows, a large zip-out front with mosquito netting, and excellent ventilation, it offers maximum comfort. Complete with a heavy-duty ground sheet, bivvy pins with hammer, rod straps, and storage bag, it's perfect for camping, fishing, or any outdoor enthusiast seeking reliable shelter. Make grabbing hard-to-reach items effortless with the FTH Grabber tool. This reacher pickup tool, heavy-duty trash picker log barbecue. Fireplace pits, snake tongs is built for durability, featuring laser-welded and riveted construction and an all-stainless steel frame that's anti-rust and hygienic. It's totally new no-wire patented technology that delivers enhanced power without extra setup. The powerful claw with smooth edges provides a safe, wide-angle grip. Perfect for barbecue tongs, log grabbing, camping fire pits, garden use, trash picking, snake handling, or assisting the elderly indoors and outdoors. Elevate your outdoor gatherings with the Ciays gas fire pit. Table, a 60,000 BTU propane fire pit for outside with a steel lid and lava rock. Perfect for patio, deck, or garden parties, this 2-in-1 fire pit table provides cozy heat, keeping guests warm and food hot during get-togethers. The lava rock centerpiece adds a stunning visual, while the external fire level control and included steel lid make it safe and easy to use. Ideal for creating atmosphere, comfort, and style at any outdoor party or gathering. Gear up for any adventure with the Nelson-Rigg Enduro Saddlebags, designed to fit most dual sport Enduro KTM, Honda, Yamaha, and Suzuki models. Made from top-quality Ultramax fabric, they resist fading and withstand harsh elements. Reflective piping and accents enhance nighttime visibility, ensuring safety on the road. The expandable main compartment and under-tool pouch offer versatile storage, while reverse coil zippers and rubber-coated oversized pulls keep dust out and work easily with gloves. Heavy-duty self-fastening straps and quick-release buckles secure the saddlebags without scratching your paint or plastics. Perfect for adventure riders. Keep your food and drinks fresh wherever you go with the Kollea Cool Bag, a 30-liter cool box, insulated cooler bag lunch bag that keeps items warm or cold. With leak-proof construction, durable proof, Oxford fabric, and multiple pockets, this cooler bag is perfect for travel, camping, picnics, and barbecues. The large capacity holds drinks, lunch bowls, or snacks for family outings. Carrying straps and a padded handle make transport easy, while its efficient insulation ensures your food stays fresh, tasty, and protected in any outdoor scenario. Cook like a pro anywhere with the Coleman camping stove, a premium 20,000 BTUS gas stove with adjustable burners and a carry case. Perfect for camping, tailgating, grilling, barbecue, and more, this 2-burner portable stove features a stair-stepping burner design with added flame holes for even cooking. Its wind-protective pan support ensures flames stay steady, while rotary ignition allows easy, matchless lighting. Made from durable cast iron, it's easy to clean and built to last. Compact and highly portable, it comes with a foam case for hassle-free transport. Upgrade your camping comfort with the Hest Foamy Camping Mattress Pad. This memory foam portable roll-up sleeping cot. Mattress provides dual-layer support, pressure relief, and temperature regulation for restful sleep anywhere. No pump is needed thanks to its self-contained foam design, and its water-resistant surface ensures durability outdoors. Lightweight and easy to carry with the built-in handle, it's perfect for all adventures. Use it as a camping sleeping pad, travel cot mattress, or extra guest bed, designed to combine portability, comfort, and practicality for every outdoor excursion. Make every meal warm and satisfying with the Travelisimo heated lunchbox. This 80-watt electric lunchbox delivers a hot, delicious meal in minutes, whether at the office, on the road, or in your truck. Its 1.5-liter capacity accommodates hearty portions, while stainless steel construction ensures hygiene and easy cleaning. Compatible with 12 volts, 24 volts, and 230 volts power sources, it's perfect for travel and everyday use. Enjoy homemade flavors anywhere, stay nourished on the go, and keep your meals at the ideal temperature with this versatile, portable, self-heating lunchbox. Enjoy hot, delicious meals anywhere with the Aotto portable oven. This 3-in-1 electric lunchbox food heater works with 12 volts, 24 volts, and 110 volts power sources, making it perfect for cars, trucks, travel, office, or home use. Its mini portable oven that evenly heats food without drying it out, preserving moisture and nutrition. Automatic temperature control lets you leave your meal unattended, while compatibility with multiple containers up to 1.8 quarts adds versatility. Lightweight, portable, and easy to carry with its shoulder strap, it's ideal for busy days on the go. Bring the ultimate seafood feast to your backyard with the Feasto Seafood Boil Pot. This all-in-one kit includes a 60-quart aluminum pot, perforated basket, burner, lid, pot rack, hose, regulator, and windshield. Everything needed for crawfish, shrimp, crab, or lobster boils. The 100,000 BTU burner with a 10 psi regulator heats quickly and consistently, while the reinforced basket separates solids from liquids effortlessly. Designed for outdoor parties, it's easy to use, fast heating, and durable, making seafood feasts, vegetable boils, and soups simple and enjoyable for small to medium gatherings. Access to clean water is essential, especially outdoors or in emergencies. The Lifesaver Jerrycan water purifier is a military-spec, heavy-duty system designed for overlanding, camping, hiking, and survival kits. Exceeding NSFP 248 military-grade standards, it removes 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, cysts, and parasites. Simply fill, pump, and drink, storing up to 18.5 liters with its built-in spout. With easy-to-replace filters, activated carbon for better taste, and portable durability, it ensures safe, clean water anytime, anywhere, keeping you prepared for emergencies or adventures without relying on harsh chemicals or unsafe sources. Stuck without a restroom while camping, traveling, or off-grid? The Modiwell Dry Flush Toilet makes it easy. This waterless, odorless, self-contained portable toilet for RVs, vans, boats, and tiny houses offers one-click flushing with automatic thermal waste sealing. Compact and lightweight at 17 pounds, it's easy to carry and supports up to 350 pounds on sturdy stainless steel legs. Environmentally friendly and fully odor-free, it uses disposable coagulant bags. Rechargeable with a 5,200 mAh battery for 70 to 100 uses, it's a smarter, cleaner alternative to composting or incinerator toilets for outdoor or off-grid living. Preparedness starts with the right gear and the Xben reflective paracord. This heavy-duty 4mm 13-strand parachute cord made of polyester, boasting a 1,000-pound minimum braking force, is far stronger than standard 550-pound ropes. Available in 50, 100, 200, 500, and 1,000 feet spools with storage bags to prevent tangles, it's perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or DIY survival projects. Reflective strips enhance visibility at night for safety. Use them for tents, clotheslines, fishing, emergency ropes, craft bracelets, dog collars, and pet leashes. Durable, versatile, and reliable for indoor and outdoor adventures. Finding the perfect gift for him just got easier with the Boxzie Man Box. This gift box for men is a curated set of cool camping and survival gear, ideal for guys, sons, brothers, boyfriends, dads, or husbands. Inside, he'll find a fire starter kit with ferro rod and tinder rope, a Rambo knife with sheath, a double-insulated travel mug, all-natural coffee grit soap, a charcoal cedar and sandalwood camping candle, and a man card. Perfect for birthdays or special occasions, it's a fun, practical, and memorable gift for any adventurer. Stay comfortable and ready for adventure with the Xkttac Stretchy Shorts. These outdoor, quick-dry, lightweight shorts are perfect for hiking, tactical use, camping, or travel. Featuring 6 pockets, 4 deep side zipper pockets, and 2 front pockets, they offer ample storage for essentials, while reflective strips enhance visibility during early morning or evening activities. The elastic, adjustable waistband ensures a secure fit, and breathable, quick-dry fabric with UPF 50+ protection keeps you cool and shielded from the sun. Durable, stretchy, and versatile, these shorts are ideal for sports, outdoor activities, or casual daily wear. Make inflating your gear effortless with the Hyvohex portable air pump. This 4,000 mAh ultra-fast air mattress pump inflates and deflates inflatables up to 5 times faster than standard pumps. Equipped with 3 nozzles, it fits sleeping pads, pool floats and other gear with a secure, airtight seal. The advanced dual vent design ensures heat dissipation for longer life, while the rechargeable battery provides extended runtime for outdoor adventures. Compact and portable, this electric air pump is ideal for camping, beach trips, or travel, making setup and pack up faster, easier, and stress-free. Reliable lighting is essential for kids, camping, or emergencies. The Xkttac. Camping lanterns are 3-color dimmable and USB-C rechargeable, perfect for bedrooms, indoor adventures, or outdoor trips. A quick 2-hour charge provides 4 to 6 hours of soft light, adjustable across white, and warm yellow modes. Its creative hook lets you hang it on tents, backpacks, or tree branches, while safe PVC and PP materials protect curious hands. Compact, portable, and versatile, it works as a nightlight, toddler flashlight, or emergency lantern, keeping children safe, entertained, and prepared wherever they go. Cleaning and organizing while camping or traveling can be tricky. The Altiet collapsible dish basin is a versatile, portable solution with a built-in drain plug for easy water disposal. Made from BPA-free thermoplastic rubber and food-grade PP, it's durable, non-toxic, and dishwasher safe. Its collapsible design saves space, while dual handles and non-slip legs make it stable and easy to carry. With a 2.98-gallon capacity, it works as a dishpan, wash basin, RV sink, beverage bucket, or storage tray, perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, or indoor kitchen use. Keeping your grill spotless just got easier. The Iki electric rotary grill brush is designed for outdoor grills, featuring a 7-angle adjustable brush head to reach every corner. With 3-speed power control and 410 RPM rotation, it handles both gentle cleaning and heavy-duty grime effortlessly. Its 304 stainless steel bristles that won't shed, and the high-temp resistant shell lets you clean immediately after cooking. Offering 90 minutes of continuous runtime, it's perfect for gas, charcoal, ceramic, cast iron, or stainless steel grills, making post-meal cleanup fast, safe, and hassle-free. Tired of scrubbing grease off your grill? Crocodile Cloth Grill Cleaning Wipes are large, pre-moistened, and super absorbent, designed to attack cooked-on grease, grime, fat, oils, and dirt on grill grates and tools. Infused with aloe and vitamin E, they're safe on skin while delivering commercial-grade cleaning power. Their heavy-duty build and low-foaming degreaser formula work on multiple surfaces, barbecues, tools, and patio furniture, making cleanup fast and effective. Oversized and tough, these wipes scrub, absorb, and last longer, giving you the perfect, ready-to-cook grill surface with fewer wipes and less effort. Stay hydrated on the go with the Stanley Quick Flip Go water bottle. This 24-ounce travel-friendly bottle features a push-button lid for one-handed use and a leak-proof design, making it perfect for sports, commuting, or outdoor adventures. Insulated stainless steel keeps drinks hot for up to 8 hours or cold for 12, while BPA-free construction ensures safe drinking. Tough and durable, it fits most cup holders, and the wide-mouth design makes cleaning easy, even in the dishwasher. Packable, reliable, and stylish in rose quartz, it's a smart companion for work, travel, or play. That wraps up our look at the 25 genius camping gadgets for 2026. Which of these cool camping accessories are you adding to your backpacking gear list? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing about your favorite outdoor tech. If you found this guide to the best camping gadgets helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more expert gear reviews, camping hacks, and survival tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the great outdoors on the next adventure.